Hi everyone, welcome to a review of Algebra 2, Chapter 5, Lesson 8, Curve Fitting with Quadratic Models. In this video, we're going to focus on how to write a quadratic function from 3 points that are given. And these points are specifically made so that they do make a parabola. So we know for a fact that they follow the quadratic pattern. So step 1 is to use the points to create a matrix. Now, what this is, it's in the general format for a quadratic, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals y. And we're actually solving that format to find out what a, b, and c are. So I'm going to use a matrix to do that. Now, you can create a system of 3 equations and solve it using algebra, but this is the fastest, easiest way to do it. So I have an example down here at the bottom, and we're actually going to go through these steps with it. So I'm going to start out by putting these points into this matrix. So I square the x value, I write the x value, I have a column of 1s for the c value, and then I have the y in the last column. So notice what I did here. 0, 5, I squared the x, keep the x, write a 1, and here's the 5. Now for 2, 1, squared the x, keep the x, write a 1, and here's the y. And 3, 2, I squared the x, keep the x, write a 1, and here's the y. So now I have my matrix. Now to solve this matrix for the coefficients that belong in your general quadratic form, we're going to put it into a calculator. So I'm going to go to the matrix menu. So that's second and x negative 1. Okay, I scroll right to edit. So scroll right to edit. I choose a matrix. I'm going to use matrix A. Okay, and I enter the numbers. Now this is a 3 by 4 matrix. And now I'm going to just type in the numbers as they appear in my matrix. 0 squared is 0. I have a 0. I have a 1. And I have a 5. 2 squared is 4. I have a 2, a 1, and a 1. And 3 squared is 9. I have a 3, a 1, and a 2. Now I need to exit the matrix menu by pressing second and then mode. So second mode gets me out. Then I go back into the matrix menu and scroll to the math menu. So second, x negative 1, and I go right to math. Okay, scroll down to RREF and press enter. Now remember, that stands for reduced row echelon form. So I'm just going to scroll down to B, RREF, and hit enter. Okay, go back into the matrix menu and get the name of the matrix you used. So second, x negative 1, and I used matrix A, so I'm going to hit enter on that. And then it says press enter until it gives you an answer. So enter. Usually it's just one enter. The top number is A, so this is A. The next number is B, and the bottom number is C. So I just need to put these numbers into the general form of the quadratic. So A was 1. B was negative 4, so minus 4. And C was 5. Okay, so my answer for this question is f of x equals 1x squared minus 4x plus 5. Now the 1 is optional. You don't have to have that there, but you can. You can just have plain x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay, so that's how you write a quadratic function given 3 points that are definitely a quadratic.